Have you ever met someone who just lights up the room the moment they walk in? You can't explain it, but something about them just draws people in.
Guess what? That's not luck, it's a skill.
And in this video, we're breaking down exactly how you can develop that magnetic charm too. From building confidence and mastering body language to listening like a pro and spreading positive energy, we've got it all covered. So, if you're ready to become the kind of person people love to be around, stick till the end, because these insights might just change the way you connect with the world. Chapter 1. The Foundation of Attraction. Reklau explains that true attraction starts with knowing yourself. If you want to draw amazing people into your life, you first need to become the kind of person they would want to be around. This means being real, being confident, being kind, and having emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and handle your own feelings as well as the feelings of others. Instead of trying hard to impress people or pretend to be someone you're not, focus on being authentic. Accept your flaws, celebrate your personal journey, and show your true self to the world. The way you treat yourself sets the tone for how others will treat you. When you value yourself, others are naturally drawn to you. Chapter 2. The Power of Communication. Reklau explains that communication is like a bridge that connects us to other people. If you want to build strong relationships, you need to learn how to communicate effectively. One powerful tip he shares is the 80-20 rule. Listen 80% of the time and speak only 20%. When you truly listen, you make the other person feel valued and understood. Good communication is not just about words, but also about how you show up. Be fully present when someone is talking, maintain warm eye contact, and use positive, uplifting words instead of negative or harsh language. These small habits build trust and make people feel safe around you. Reklau also reminds us that nonverbal communication matters a lot. Your body language, facial expressions, and even the tone of your voice can speak louder than your words. When your words and actions are in harmony, your communication becomes magnetic and powerful. Chapter 3. The Confidence Code. Reklau explains that confidence is not about being loud or arrogant. True confidence is like a quiet strength. It's calm, steady, and deeply rooted inside you. This kind of confidence doesn't need to show off, because it speaks for itself. Real confidence comes from accepting yourself fully, including your strengths and your weaknesses. It's about taking action even when you feel fear, instead of waiting for fear to disappear. Every time you step forward in spite of your doubts, your inner confidence grows stronger. Reklau also highlights the importance of self-trust. When you keep promises to yourself, whether it's waking up on time, finishing what you started, or sticking to your goals, you build trust in your own abilities. Even your body posture plays a big role. Standing tall, maintaining open gestures, and carrying yourself with calm assurance naturally makes you look and feel more confident. This quiet confidence becomes magnetic and draws people toward you. Chapter 4. Give more than you take. Reklau teaches that one of the fastest ways to build strong, lasting connections is through generosity. But this doesn't just mean giving money or gifts. The most powerful form of generosity is giving your time, your attention, and your encouragement. When you make someone feel truly seen and valued, you leave a lasting impression on their heart. People may not always remember your words or even what you did, but they will always remember how you made them feel. That's why emotional generosity is so important. Things like really listening when someone talks, showing understanding, forgiving mistakes, and offering kind words create a safe emotional space where trust can grow. When you give more than you take, you create relationships built on warmth and positivity. Over time, this generosity becomes a part of who you are, and people naturally want to be around you because you make them feel better about themselves and the world. Chapter 5. Handling difficult people. Reklau explains that dealing with difficult people is a skill everyone needs. The key lies in emotional intelligence, understanding your own emotions, and being aware of what might be driving the behavior of others. Often when someone is rude or harsh, it's not truly about you. It's usually a reflection of their own struggles, stress, or pain. When you see people through this lens, it becomes easier to respond calmly instead of reacting with anger. Reklau also emphasizes the importance of setting healthy boundaries. Protecting your own peace doesn't mean being aggressive or harsh. It means calmly standing up for yourself and knowing when to step back. This balanced approach, understanding others while protecting yourself, helps you stay grounded and keep your relationships healthier, even with people who are challenging to deal with. Chapter 6. Mastering body language. Reklau highlights that what you don't say often speaks louder than your words. Your body language plays a huge role in how people see you and how they feel around you. Things like your posture, your eye contact, your facial expressions, your gestures, and even the tone of your voice all send powerful signals, whether you realize it or not. Standing tall with an open and relaxed posture shows confidence and warmth. Making an eye contact, not staring, but looking with kindness and attention, helps people feel safe and connected to you. A genuine smile, relaxed hand movements, and a friendly tone of voice all add up to create trust and comfort in any interaction. When your body language matches your words, people feel that you are genuine and approachable, which instantly makes you more magnetic and memorable. Chapter 7. The Magnetic Power of Listening. Reklau shares that listening is one of the most powerful tools for building meaningful relationships. Most people think communication is about talking, but in reality, it's more about how well you listen. When you practice active listening, being fully present, paying attention, and engaging with what the other person is saying, you make them feel truly valued and understood. One important tip is to avoid turning the conversation back to yourself. Instead of thinking, "What can I say about my own experience?" focus on their experience and feelings. Ask questions, show empathy, and listen with genuine curiosity. When people feel heard and understood, they naturally feel closer to you, and that connection becomes stronger and more authentic. Listening in this way becomes a magnetic quality that draws people toward you. Chapter 8. The Power of Genuine Compliments. Reklau highlights that a genuine compliment can brighten someone's entire day. Compliments are simple, yet they have an amazing ability to make people feel good about themselves. But there's one rule: they have to be real and specific. Instead of generic praise like "you're great," focus on something unique, like acknowledging their effort, kindness, or a positive quality in their character. When a compliment is heartfelt and honest, it not only uplifts the other person, but also strengthens your connection with them. People remember how you made them feel, and a simple, sincere compliment can leave a warm, lasting impression. Chapter 9. The Art of Storytelling. Reklau explains that storytelling is one of the most powerful ways to connect with people. A good story grabs attention, stirs emotions, and creates a shared experience between you and your audience. It's not just about telling something that happened, it's about sharing it with purpose and emotion. He suggests keeping your stories relatable and structured. Have a clear beginning, middle, and end, and focus on an emotional point that others can connect to. When your stories are honest and heartfelt, people don't just hear your words, they feel them. A well-told story can inspire, teach, or simply make someone feel closer to you. This ability to create connection through storytelling is a skill that can make anyone instantly more magnetic and memorable. Chapter 10. Be genuinely interested in others. Reklau explains that one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build meaningful relationships is to show true interest in other people. When you take the time to genuinely care about their stories, their feelings, and their experiences, it creates trust and a natural sense of connection. This means practicing active listening, not just hearing the words, but really focusing on what the other person is saying. Ask meaningful questions that show you want to understand them better. Reklau also highlights small but impactful gestures, like remembering someone's name, which instantly makes them feel valued and respected. When your interest is real, not forced, people feel it. And that authentic curiosity about others opens doors to deeper relationships and lasting bonds. Chapter 11. The Power of Positive Energy. Reklau teaches that your energy speaks before your words do. The kind of energy you carry, whether positive or negative, affects everyone around you. Positive energy is contagious. It uplifts people, draws them toward you, and creates a warm and welcoming environment. To maintain this energy, Reklau suggests focusing on gratitude, smiling often, and keeping a lighthearted attitude. Even in tough situations, choosing to look for the good can shift your energy and inspire others to do the same. He also stresses the importance of surrounding yourself with positive influences, people who encourage, uplift, and support you. When you consistently show up with positivity, you naturally become someone others want to be around, someone who brings comfort, hope, and happiness wherever you go. That's the true power of positive energy. It makes you magnetic. Chapter 12. Mastering Non-Verbal Communication. Reklau reminds us that communication is not just about words, it's also about the signals we send without speaking. Our body language, facial expressions, and even the way we move tell people a lot about who we are and how we feel. When we master these non-verbal cues, like keeping an open posture, using warm facial expressions, and maintaining friendly eye contact, we instantly become more approachable and trustworthy. These subtle signals often communicate more than words ever could, creating a strong sense of connection and understanding with others. Reklau emphasizes that when your non-verbal communication matches your words, people see you as genuine, confident, and magnetic. This alignment between what you say and what your body expresses is key to forming deeper, lasting connections. Chapter 13. Authenticity. Reklau explains that authenticity is the heart of true magnetism. When you are genuinely yourself, without pretending, without wearing masks, you naturally attract people who appreciate you for who you really are. Authenticity means embracing your vulnerability, being honest about your feelings, and letting go of the constant need for approval from others. When you live authentically, you create space for genuine relationships to grow. People trust you more because they can feel your honesty and openness. Reklau reminds us that authenticity doesn't mean being perfect, it means being real. And that realness is what draws people in and deepens your connections in a lasting way. Chapter 14. The power of listening. The final chapter brings us back to one of the most powerful skills of all, listening. Reklau emphasizes that when you truly listen to others, you make them feel heard, valued, and respected. This simple habit can completely transform your interactions. Active listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about being fully present, showing empathy, and giving people your undivided attention. When people feel genuinely listened to, they naturally trust you more and feel closer to you. Reklau closes by reminding us that listening is a gift, one that makes you truly magnetic, not just in conversations, but in all relationships throughout life. In the end, Reklau's message is clear. Becoming magnetic isn't about changing who you are. It's about bringing out the best parts of yourself and letting them shine. By choosing kindness, practicing empathy, and showing genuine interest in others, you naturally attract meaningful relationships into your life. These principles aren't complicated, but when practiced consistently, they create a powerful shift in how people see you and how you connect with them. You don't have to pretend, you don't have to impress, just be real, be kind, and be present. This entire video brings together Reklau's most impactful lessons, giving you practical steps to improve your personal interactions and build deeper, lasting connections with the people around you.